innovate or die. When we first looked into the Polydoge, we were seeing the farms, the boardroom, then the docs, the audit, the charts. Now these guys are still innovating this contract. Now we have the nodes. So when you just look at the farms, on the farms you have the $PD and the wrapped matrix where you can earn up to 2.79% on a daily basis, and then the PD share, which is so volatile. PD share together with the wrapped matrix, this one can earn you 3.67% on a daily basis. So the earnings on the Polydoge is actually crazy when you try to compare it with the Tomb.finance. This is almost a Tomb fork, but now on the Polygon Network. But the earnings on this project is actually crazy. Earning a 2.79% on a daily basis is actually something mind-blowing. We also have the farms for the PD share and the PD dollar. This one can get you 4.11% on a daily basis. The TVLs here are actually great. We have a lot of funds being unlocked here. You can also single stake the Polydoge token itself and earn some PD share. This one will be offering you 0.3% on a daily basis. So once you've earned some PD share, these tokens you can actually bring them over to the boardroom, which offers you 1,263% APR. See that you have an option to recycle your earnings, put them from the farms to the boardroom, recycle back to the farms again to the boardroom, and the earnings are actually great. They have now innovated this project and now added the nodes. The last time we talked about nodes on a Tomb fork was on the bomb money. So we've seen that the bomb money, the least node, which was the Nano node, which was coming for around $300, and when you look at now on the Polydoge nodes, these nodes are actually cheaper. So with the PD dollar nodes, you can lock your PD dollar to earn daily yields, then the daily APR at 2.75 and the yearly 1,004%. So the earnings for these nodes are actually great. These nodes will be getting you the PD dollar. So when you just lock up your PD dollar and then put it as a node, now they will be earning you the PD dollar token. For this one, you can see now you need to lock up to 50 PD dollar tokens. So they put an estimate of $60 so far. With the 50 the PD dollar, you need at least $60. But I think there's miscalculation there. If you look at the price of the PD dollar today, the PD dollar today goes at $1.5 per token. That is about the nodes. They don't have a variety of nodes. So when you look at something like the bomb money, they are the nano nodes, the mini nodes, the mega node, the kilo nodes, and the giga nodes. But this one, they just have a single node. Just lock up some 50 PD dollar token, and then your node will be created. And then they're saying it's around $60, but when we look at the price of 50 PD dollar token, it's showing around $75. This is actually a very cheap node. You can try and put some nodes. You can go with the farms, you can try the boardroom, and then you also have the nodes. You can also check the casino and try to play around with it. Understand it before you even put some funds here. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to bring you some of the things that I see can make some passive income, but always do your own research before even putting funds into any project. That's the update about this project nodes being added here. So if you like to make some passive income, this is a project that you can actually take a look into. You see that the earnings here are actually mind-blowing. They're really crazy. So if you like this kind of content on making passive income, this is the channel to be. Just hit the subscribe button, like our videos, share it to other people. Also comment down below on what you think may help other people to make some passive income. Peace guys.